In this video, I'll show you how to use Panopto's Save As feature to create short microlearning clips and remove unwanted content from a long-form lecture, a meeting recording from Zoom or Teams, and a how-to video. Let's get started. Here's a 40-minute lecture. Click Edit. Zoom in on the editing timeline. Click and drag to cut the unwanted portions of the lecture. Go to the Options menu and click on Save As. Name your clip and choose Discard the cut sections in the new video. Now you and your viewers have an easily digestible 2-minute Smart Cities microlearning clip. Here's a 55-minute meeting recording. Notice you can click and drag to cut the unwanted portions of the meeting's primary and secondary video streams. Then click the Save As option. Next, rename your video and choose Discard Cut Sections. This removes unwanted video, slides, captions, and more. Click Save and now preview the shorter, 2-minute White Space is Your Friend video. And sometimes you want to take a 5-minute video and trim it into a short video snack. Let's zoom in on the editing timeline. Click and drag to cut the unwanted portions. Then, click the Save As option in the menu. Go ahead and rename your clip and choose Discard Cut Sections in the new video. Click Save. Now, preview the new 1-minute How a Migration Works video. And that's the Panopto Save As feature. I know our viewers will love the short microlearning clips. Plus, our creators will be excited to know they can remove unwanted content from their videos. Find out more at panopto.com.